This is episode 8 of me trying to understand AI before AI understands us. And somewhere along the way, I just hit a point where the cheaper setup that I had was just not enough. So early on, I was using a free open source model to build my bot because when you're wiring things up, you don't need that perfect prompt and response. I'm just setting up the system. But as I kept getting into more complex territory with multiple agents talking to each other internally and stuff, the open source model just wasn't enough and cracks started showing. The biggest issue was structured outputs. Sometimes the JSON would just fail because the LLM missed a bracket or a comma here and there. Agent handoffs would fail. So the problem was partial reliability and partial intelligence. Once my skeleton was working and my free model was able to at least generate posts and comments intermittently, I made a switch to GPT 5.4 Nano, and I could feel the change immediately. It was the same underlying logic and the same bot, but there was almost zero friction and it was super duper fast. And the wildest part is that the total amount I've spent on this bot is only 9 cents. And that is way lower than I expected. Now that I've told you the switch that I made between the models, I'm curious. Are you able to point out the post on which I made the model flip?